In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your WeBull investing app, as well as how to cancel a withdrawal order that you might have placed so that you know exactly what to do. If you have any questions throughout this whole video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your WeBull investing app. This is going to be the main screen. Now we need to get into the investing side of things. So we're going to go ahead and hit the center button there, the WeBull logo at the bottom. And you have to type in your PIN. Once you're all logged in, you first need to make sure that you actually have money to withdraw from your WeBull account. In this case, you can check what your cash balance is. And if you look right there, that tells you how much you have. So I have a little over $3,500 available to be withdrawn from my WeBull investing account. Now, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is hit transfer. And we're going to go ahead and withdraw the available, which it says I have $3,500. And this is where I can go ahead and choose how much I want. So I'm going to hit withdraw at the very bottom. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. And it's going to go straight to my checking account that I have linked to my WeBull account. So I'm actually going to withdraw $2,000. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to transfer it to my bank account. It's going to confirm, is that where you want it to go? Yes. And it's going to tell me each transfer takes 1 to 2 business days to complete, so that's actually pretty quick. That's a lot faster than I've seen a lot of other places do it. We're going to confirm it. Now I need to verify a few things. Okay, so here it is. It says everything is complete. It is pending at this point in time, but if you want to, you can actually cancel the withdrawal right down there at the very bottom. Now, say you enter this withdrawal amount, and tomorrow morning you wake up and you're like, oh wait, I don't want to do that any longer. I actually want to cancel it because maybe you want to keep that money in there to trade some more stocks. I'm going to show you how to cancel it as well. So back at the main screen, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the More button there to the middle right, and you are going to go to the transfer area. Now right here is going to give you where you could deposit money, withdraw money, a stock transfer, or the transfer history. So we're going to press on the transfer history right there. And this is going to give you all of your pending withdrawals. So at the very top, that is the withdrawal that we just made. So I'm going to press on that. And then at the very bottom, I can cancel the withdrawal. So cancel it, and that should go through. Are you sure you want to cancel it? Yes. Successfully sent. And then it should be good. Now, if we hit back again and go back to the main screen, it should show that our balance is right there. Yep, see, our cash balance is $3,500 at this point because I canceled that. If you want one free stock worth up to $200 from the Robinhood investing app, then use my link down in the description to open up an account with them. I personally received a free stock of Facebook. At this point, I think it's about $250 per share, so it's possible to get very expensive stocks for free. Make sure to check out my other how-to investing videos right here to your left next.